Welcome to the first episode in a series where we show you forecast dashboarding capabilities, in particular around COVID-19 and its economic and travel impacts. This is the first page of the dashboard. In this episode, we'll talk about how to use these functionalities to find insights. In the next few episodes, we'll discuss the remaining pages of the dashboard, which include economic impacts, travel impacts, and a combination of them all. Back to the first page, the top rightmost cards show the total cumulative confirmed and recovered cases as well as deaths from the start of the epidemic to today. This table breaks down statistics by country. You can sort the table columns by clicking on the column header. On the left, we have a date slider. Use this to constrain the values you want to see between two dates. You can also filter by country using the slicer below. The large map features confirmed cases in each country. Hover over the country to see more details. The two charts on the bottom feature the total confirmed cases, which includes all countries, and the top 10 selected countries. Both of these charts, the map, the cards, and the table, vary based on your selection in the country and date slicers. You can change the map and charts to feature recovered cases and deaths by clicking on the toggle. One interesting observation is the switch from China to US as the country with the most cases from the 23rd to the 29th of March.